This is how to style a textured middle part. Step 1, I just got back from the gym, so my hair is super sweaty, so now it is time to take a shower. What I like to do is I like to use some sort of volumizing shampoo and conditioner just to make sure my hair is not flat and boring after I get out of the shower. So if you are someone with flat and boring hair, I highly recommend some sort of volumizing shampoo or conditioner. It can be from anywhere. Alright, I'm about to go hop in the shower. I'll see you all after. Alright, just hopped out the shower, hair's super wet, and now is when I kind of dry my hair a little bit, but I will not use a towel. Instead, I personally like using an old cotton t-shirt. The reason why is these are just so much softer and they won't cause breakage like towels do, because towels are super rough, especially when you go in and just go crazy on your hair. Plus, you'll retain so much more moisture if you do use a cotton t-shirt. So what I'll do is just kind of scrunch to give my hair that texture. Okay, it's pretty much damp now. Just make sure it's not dripping wet, because now we are on to step number 3, which is to apply some sort of sea salt spray. And a common theme you will notice in this video is I use a lot of Pete and Pedro products. This is not sponsored, so you don't have to use these. But basically, everything I use is from Pete and Pedro. I will have that link down in the description if you guys do want to check these out. I think I forgot to mention the shampoo and conditioner that I use is also from Pete and Pedro. But alright, step number 3, sea salt spray. Open it up and don't apply too many sprays. What I'll do is just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'll just take my hands and just kind of push my hair back, kind of rub that sea salt spray in, make sure to get it all throughout my hair, evenly spread it. And the reason you only want to apply, I'd say 6 sprays at max, is because if you apply too many sprays, this will dry out your hair. Step number 4 is to use a hair dryer. And I actually like to use a paddle brush alongside it. So what I'll do is I'll grab this attachment. I actually don't use a diffuser too much anymore. And the reason why is I just found this attachment gives me so much more volume, especially when I pair it with this. So what I'll do is I'll blow dry it, kind of push it up, and then while it's blow drying my hair up, I will use the paddle brush and just start combing it up. So what you'll want to do is put the hair dryer on a medium heat setting. Yellow means medium, and then here, I'll turn that off real quick. I like to use the highest frequency on medium heat, so I'll do that now. Oh, real quick, I just thought of this. So the reason I'm using a paddle brush is because my hair gets kind of tangly, so this is really good at detangling my hair. But you can really use any brush you have. A round brush is really good at especially getting volume, but if you do have tangly hair like me, could use a paddle brush like I do. Okay, let's carry on. Alright, after I'm done with the hair dryer, my hair usually looks something like this. And now step number 5, I believe, is I will apply a headband. And then I'll apply it kind of around here. And then right now I will scrunch kind of the back of the headband or behind the headband, and this will really give my hair that texture, because remember that sea salt spray is still in there. And then once it's kind of texturized like this, I will actually just let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. So I will see you guys then. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes, so now I'm going to take the headband off. Once you play around with it a little bit, scrunch it a little more, you basically got the middle part. But if you've noticed it's not as texturized as you want it, here is the last step, and that is to apply some sort of texture powder. Again, this one's from Pete and Pedro. I really like this one, but you can really use whatever you want. So what I'll do is I will literally just use this right on top of my head. I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, like, I don't even count, I'm not gonna lie. Just get a decent amount on your head, kind of like so. And then literally just rub it in, kind of give it a shake. And this will really just give your hair that texture and volume. And kind of scrunch, and then boom, you got the textured middle part.